In this step-by-step tutorial, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can set up international shipping on Shopify. Let's get started right now. This is very quick and easy. I'm going to be showing you step-by-step on how you can set up international shipping on Shopify. First thing you need to do, guys, you want to log into your Shopify store. And after that, guys, you want to click on settings at the very bottom left. After that, you want to click on shipping and delivery. And then you want to click on general here. Then you want to scroll down at the very bottom, okay? Click on go to markets. As you can see, it says here start shipping to more places. You want to click on go to markets. After that, it will take you guys directly to this page. Now you want to click on add market in the top right, and you need to name the market. So for example, just remember this name. We are going to use it in a few seconds. For example, shipping countries I like, or countries I would like to ship to. Okay, and here after you name the market, just scroll down and select all the countries that you would like to ship to. So for example, I would like to ship to Africa. It will select, if you select for example Africa, it will select all countries that are in Africa. Now I'm going to scroll down. You can also ship to all countries in Europe, including France, Germany. Just select here Europe, or you can select country by country. For example, you only want to ship, for example, to Belgium. You can select that here, Austria. Now I'm going to select the whole Europe, and I'm going to click on add. After you select all the countries that you like, that you would like to ship to, you can select all these countries if you want. After that, you want to click on add market. After, guys, you click on add market, I'm going to be showing you what to do next. Okay, now you want to close this. Okay, you want to click on settings again at the very bottom left. You want to click on shipping and delivery again click on this general thing, you know, all products, just here somewhere here, click on it. And then you want to scroll down at the very bottom here. It will say here not covered by your shipping zones, and it will mention here all the countries that you have selected. So in my case, I selected 96 countries and regions. Now what you guys need to do, you just need to click on create zone. Now this number is going to be different for you depending on how many countries you selected. Just click on create zone and then name the zone, for example, nothing. Okay, don't worry, customers won't be able to see this. And here you need to select the name that you have, like that I told you guys to remember, which is countries I would like to ship to. Check this. Okay, just click check this box, and it will select all the countries that you have selected in the market. Okay, now what you need to do, guys, you want to click on done. After, guys, you click on done, you want to click on add a rate. Okay, now you are going to it says here no rates, customers in this zone won't be able to complete the checkout. So you need to add the shipping price so that these customers from these countries will be able to complete the checkout. Now here you want to select standard, and here the price of the shipping, it should be like something like $20. Click on done. You want to click on save, and after you click on save, what you guys need to do next is close all this again, and then go back to settings and shipping and delivery, and then you want to click again on general, and you want to scroll down and click on go to markets. And after that, guys, you will find here the name that you have named when you selected all the countries in the market. Now you want to click on this. The name I named it is countries I would like to ship to. Click on it. And then you want to click on this inactive button here in the top right and select active, and then click on save. And now you have successfully enabled international shipping. Now I'm going to go to my Shopify store right now. So before, I am not able to select any country here because I was only shipping to local country, which is my country. Now I'm going to reload the page. Now, as you can see, you will find all the countries you have selected now. As you can see, all countries in Europe and Africa. As you can see, I'm going to select this one. and people from these countries, they will be able to complete the checkout without any problem. So if this one helped you, please drop a like, and see you guys in the next one. So if you have any questions or any doubts, you just let me know in the comments. I reply to every single comment. See you guys in the next one.